So why are we in the desert again in this huge bus?
Because we're looking for Dax. He said he was going to IRL Street Life,
And he got lost in the
which
desert.
it's Dax. He doesn't know his to his right.
Oh. And why are you purple?
The purple knob. I slept too long and I took too much NyQuil. My skin turned purple. No, parking brake.
So you have like a disability?
Yeah. Except
Sick.
it's less of a disability. It's like having a gunner arm. It's like only. Shut up.
Why the f is your bus like absolutely tripped out?
It's awesome. I know it.
Or
It's,
you got like
here.
seats connected to the wall.
The locals aren't very nice. Okay, so here. I'm gonna show you a little secret. Meet me at the front of the bus.
You said the locals aren't very friendly.
Yeah, could you leave the local away from me for a second? I'm gonna show you how we treat them here.
Oh, he's sleeping. You little guy. Oh god. Oh, he looks like a pickle that got rabies.
You might wanna back away. And very fast.
Why would I want to back away very fast?
You see what I have here?
Oh,
What we do to locals. What we do to locals. You see, not very nice, but they are easy. Also, I've gotten several DUIs and legally aren't allowed to drive.
so you just drive in the desert?
Yes. Except sometimes they send these people after me, but all they do is kind of drive past me. I don't think they know what I look like now that I'm purple. Oh.
What caused you? Oh,
Oh.
like that?
Oh. Yeah. Oh, can you help me?
Your bus is a little destroyed. Oh,
Yeah, can you just help me put everything back together real fast?
yeah.
I would get in if I were you.
Well, I gotta-
Also, just saying, it gets very windy. Oh, that's 6 DUIs, I think.
That's your 6th DUI.
Yeah.
I mean, who's counting, right? It's like 8. It's just a number.
That's what Spotify told me.
Oh god.
That's what.
Hashtag cancel Spotify. Big man,
That's
little
what she
hoe.
said. No.
Oh god. Oh, the bus just flipped over.
It's okay. This happens sometimes. It's okay.
Big man, little hole, right? Don't worry, I'll give you a little
Wait.
push. Oh.
No.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Little push.
Push again.
There you
Okay.
go.
Get it.
Did he overdose on NyQuil again? Hey, is your mental disability kicking in? I don't think you're supposed to be driving. Left
Okay,
a
I'm
little-
back, Mr. Beast.
What if I? I didn't do anything.
back.
I was just sitting on the toilet.
Good.
I saw you. I couldn't tell if you were deep in thought or if you had an overdose.
All of the above. I
You
start saying
had
things.
a medical emergency.
Yeah. So we're looking for Dax, and I don't think he realizes that he could have just gone to LA or like Detroit or something. I don't know. And he would have been in IRL Street Life.
Because he was looking for Roblox Street Life?
Yep.
Oh, sick. What is this? What kind of cartoons does this TV play?
It's like 9/11 reruns.
So it just plays 9/11 over and over again?
Yeah, but it's kind of entertaining now.
Oh. Oh. I think it's getting a little bumpy. Oh, God.
Oh.
Oh, I flew out the window.
Ah.
Oh, jeez. Oh, you're really gonna get in trouble for this one. Look, you took out the whole light post.
It's fine.
Do they make you pay for that?
Ah. Well, they would have made me pay for it if they could figure out it was me.
Okay, I'm back in. Oh,
I think I said.
Oh, you weren't joking. It really does play 9/11. Oh, God.
Yep. Now you get to witness it in the flesh. I don't think there's many switchies out in the desert right now. Out again. Uh-oh. Did you see where my body got sent?
Sweet release of death. Like a cold grip on my throat, finally gone. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm back. Where did the rest of the bus go?
Yo, slight engine.
What do you mean slight engine?
Go look at the engine.
You mean slight problem? Look at the engine. You're just like, slight engine. Oh, the door came off. It's embedded in the couch. That's cool.
Greater problem. I'm stuck.
Oh. How did you manage to kill me again?
I didn't kill you. That was the couch.
The couch has a mind of its own.
We can say that.
Oh, God. Are you having another medical emergency?
Sure, but everyone can see it this time.
Where did that come from?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
It doesn't matter where that came from. It just it spawned.
So you just have this like jet engine over here. What?
Hey, at least
the
our
couch is gone.
At least our couch is
The
in there.
couch
No.
that murdered everyone, I guess. Do you even have like the engine?
Oh yeah. I got the engine back. Just don't ask where. Just don't ask where.
So what do you plan to do with like the giant rocket engine?
I'm not sure yet.
Oh, okay.
Just like don't come in the back of the bus.
Why shouldn't I go in the back of the bus?
'Cause that's where I'm not even sure if I'm allowed to say that. You know what? I'm gonna say it anyways. That's where Rosa Parks sat. If I'm not allowed to say it, just bleep it out. That's where. Got it. Some shield. Hold on.
Like you have no clothes on. Did you throw that up? Did that come out of your like mouth?
Hey, it doesn't matter which end it doesn't matter which end it came out of, okay?
Oh, cool.
No. Oh, it's on the wrong side.
Well, like, cause you don't have a shirt on, so like.
Oh yeah, you like my tattoo? I forgot to mention that.
I have a tattoo.
No.
It's okay. Without like really any clothes on besides your pants, like did that gas come out of your body?
It doesn't matter too much where it came out of.
Oh, that's cool. Oh. Oh.
Oh, oh. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
My seat's
In the
not-
green chair. In the green chair. In the green chair. Big faster.
What's gonna happen now? What's happening?
Hold on.
What are you doing with that engine?
Hold on. No. Okay. Don't ask why. I just want steering wheel.
Steering wheel?
No, we need more oil. Oh.
What happened?
Um.
So in editing, we actually figured out that he detached the engine and it flew away. So that's pretty cool.
Look at where the rocket should be. Okay, so the car, it won't start. It won't start. But I have a plan.
What's your plan?
Okay, it's just this might be a little disgusting. You might just want to look away.
Oh, okay. I'm looking away now. Oh, look at the sun. It's so nice over there. And all the cactus. And
Would
the
this be
rock.
big enough? Yep. Might as well spawn two.
Oh God, I don't even want to see.
Here we go.
Just like spawn in a car while you're at it.
Okay, hold up.
Oh, jeez.
Hold on.
Oh God. Oh, what's coming out of this guy's body? Oh, jeez. Oh, I don't even want to see. That sounds absolutely nasty.
Okay, you could look it out.
Oh.
Oh, I spawned 2000's boogie. Here. Hold up.
Okay,
You might want to look away again.
Oh, okay.
That should be enough.
What are the boxes for?
I don't know.
That's a lot of gas.
I had to move a few things around. Okay.
Oh, sick.
Make sure you fill up the car.
Doesn't-
Bitcool, Susan. Okay. Are you ready?
Wait,
The boxes don't matter. Just get in the car.
I'm not ready yet.
Get in. No. Don't fill that one up. It starts leaking.
Why is it leaking?
It's at a weird angle. Okay. Just get in. All right.
Oh God. Oh. It's so loud. Oh God. Oh God. Where are you taking me?
I don't know.
Oh God.
I'm trying my best.
Oh shoot.
Is this where Dax is?
I don't know. I haven't been able to find him yet.
Okay.
Oh shoot. There's a guy over there.
Looks nice.
Yeah.
Let's go talk to him.
Dax's humble little town, right?
Yeah, bro. Easily.
Full of like some nice people. Yeah. Shoot, what's this
Yo, why
guy
does he
doing?
have a gun?
I don't know. Seems kind of sketchy. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh.
I think we just killed him.
No. He's having a seizure. Oh.